Welcome to Ethiopian Airlines, one of the oldest airline and one of the largest airline in Africa. We've been in business for the last 66 years, and obviously we have been growing very fast in those years. We are now operating 48 airplanes, and we're one of the youngest fleet in Africa, flying to 67 destinations internationally and 15 destinations domestic. We have now the Vision 2025, whereby we are aiming to grow the airline to 10 billion US dollars per annum, operating 120 airplanes to more than 90 destinations around the world, to 5 continents. And as you may know, we are also a member of Star Alliance. And next month we are going to receive our first 787, the Dreamliner. As you know, this is a game changer.
Hello, good morning. My name is Zena. We're here today to fly our daily scheduled flight to Lubumbashi. This is our briefing room. And, this is my co-pilot Truman. We'll do our briefing here. We're here in the cockpit, a Boeing 737-800. And we did our exterior pre-flight. Now we are inside. We'll start with the logbook. That's where all the record is put. So it's a brand new aircraft, so there's no major remark. It's a clean aircraft. This is our computer flight plan, so I'll start briefing my co-pilot. We have a briefing flow prepared by our company, so I'll just read it and discuss it with him. So, ready for briefing?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, takeoff briefing flow. We have to discuss crew experience and seat share policy. So, 12 years experience and 3 years in 737. That's my experience, and I'll be the pilot flying for this leg. For the second leg, Truman will fly.
V1.
Rotates. Positive rates.
Gear up.
Gear up. Just want to demonstrate, but as soon as I press level change, this will blank out and it will follow this speed with idle power. So level change, this one blanks out and the power goes to idle because it plans all the time with idle power. So we don't want to be too low, so we'll just wait for the VNAV to catch up. So this idle power descent for a VNAV usually around 1,500 to 2,000 feet per minute. That will take us all the way to touchdown.
So my name is Ishtila, as Captain Wesson mentioned. I'm on, just got done with my 737 captain's training, and I'm on a route check. So we'll be flying to Mombasa and then to Kilimanjaro, back to Mombasa and back to Addis.
So disconnecting our pilot for practice.
100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Check. Check.
I'm doing a route check. This is my 4th flight. Today I'm doing it with Captain Wilson. A couple of interesting landings, especially one in Kilimanjaro. It's because of the mountainous Kilimanjaro mountain around the airport, and of course and Mount Meru as well. Was a interesting day. It was cloudy skies, and you can really see the mountain sticking out. It was really nice view. Interesting approach. Overall, good flight. Now we're on our way back to Addis. We should be on the ground in another 25 minutes or so. So far, so good. So we're enjoying the day. And I don't know if Captain Wilson want to say a couple things.
Hey, hello again. My name is Wasan Malke. Today I was giving the line training or a route check to Yeshitala. He's a student captain in this flight. As you have seen the approaches, he did well. He did good today, so he has no problem all the way. Ishitala was doing fine, and we have tried some exercises flying without the flight director, which is called a road data approach for Kilimanjaro on runway 09 ILS approach. And it was fantastic. He did it well, and the approach and the touchdown was excellent as well. So, and it's really fun to fly with Simon. Thank you.
And come again and visit the beautiful Ethiopia. It's a tourist destination. Thank you for flying with us.